Hello my friends, I'm back again to another reaction video. This is your boy, Russian boy. Welcome back to Russia. Today we have another PTX reaction video. So guys, you asking for Latch? I'm here to react it. Let's just check this out. Pentatonix. Whoa. This girl singing much better than original one. Wow.
If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. Don't speak when you spit your venom. Keep it shut. I hate it.
What?
And preach by your new Messiah, 'cause your theories catch fire. I can't find your silver lining. I don't mean
Wow, wow, very, very good. I like it.
to see now. Covering my ears like a kid. When your words mean nothing, I go la la la. I'm turning up the volume when you speak. If my heart can't stop it, I'll find a way to block it. I go la 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 la.
Guys, I still don't trust my ears. This is the only voices.
I'm so encaptured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight with
It's the sound is wah 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 wah. So nice.
in your clutch. How do you do it? Got me losing every breath.
God damn it, it's much better than original song. That's crazy. What? That's crazy. That's amazing. Guys, what do you think about this song? For me, this just mind-blowing. Another one mind-blowing, yeah. That's crazy. Okay, guys. Thank you for your subscriptions, for your support. If you're new, subscribe, hit a thumbs up. See you in the next video.